Hey, it's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, iron workers, saws, welders, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a really nice machine. We've seen a lot of this brand is a Heller. They were bringing in a lot of fabricating equipment at one point, shears, rolls, brakes. This is a 1/4 inch by 10-foot machine. Really simple, compact, hydraulic, quiet, efficient, and easy to use. There's only a few things to do on this. You've got your back gauge in and out right here. What that's doing is bringing your back gauge in. You've got your indicator here to show you exactly where you're at. Right there's at 4 inches. As soon as we were to push this piece of metal back, you can hit that 4-inch mark and you're ready to make your cut, and it'll be 4 inches every time. Now, I'll shove a little piece of material in here. We'll show you how it cuts. You've got your foot activation right here. Again, nice, clean. It's got the spring-loaded hold downs to hold your material down. Nice, clean cut all the way through. I'll cycle it a few times here for you. See, nice and quiet machine. Now we go all the way through here, make sure the blade's sharp all the way through. Make some nice cuts, check it out. Again, no burrs, real clean cut all the way through. There's only a few more things we've got. Here's our emergency stop. On the side there, you've got your gap adjustment. That's going to allow you to do thicker or thinner materials. And some machines will have a stroke length adjustment. This particular one doesn't. We've got 10-foot cutting overall all day, and it's ready to go. Very, very clean. As you can see, this is all original paint. Came out of a very small maintenance shop. We'd love to help you out, see if this is the right machine for you. If not, we have a lot of different machines in stock. Shear, US Industrial, Diacro, Standard. I can go on and on all day, including one of our favorites, Cincinnati. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.